Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to make these crochet buttons. You can use any yarn and fitted hook. I will use this acrylic yellow yarn and crochet hook 275. Let's start. Make a magic ring, grab the hook, put it under the cross, grab the yarn, twist, remove your finger, secure it with a chain. Make 2 more chains, total 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2. We made double crochet and another double crochet. The third one, and continue till you reach the end. Total I will have 15 stitches. 3 chain and 14 double crochet into the ring. Pull the short tail. Now join the ring. Insert the hook into the third chain and make slip stitch. The first round is ready. 1 chain to bring up the yarn, yarn over, insert the hook into the center, pull long loop, yarn over, work through all 3 loops at once. Once more. We will make half double crochet into the central ring all this round. Again, yarn over into the ring, bring it up, make it loose, yarn over, work through all 3 loops. Continue till you reach the end. I'm about to finish. Now we need to join it. You can join it as a regular or make it invisible way. Cut the yarn, pull the loop a little bit, insert the hook under 2 loops of the first stitch, grab the working loop and pull it through. You can do it till the end. Then insert the hook from the wrong side till the front. Make sure your hook will be between the stitches. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Ready. This way your round will be perfect. Now you can hide the tails somewhere in the middle and your crochet button is ready. Thank you so much for your time.